Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video here at Daring Beefcake, I have this Mercedes B-Class. This is a 2018 W246 and I'm gonna show you the location of the pollen filter in this car. So the older W246 B-Class had the pollen filter fitted in the area of the bulkhead area, so somewhere along the bonnet there, between the bonnet and the windscreen kind of thing. In this particular model, so on the newer models, it's actually fitted behind these carpets here. So you have to remove your carpet, and then you need to pull this carpet back as well, like so. Right, let me try and get this back here. There we are. Try to get it stay down here, and then you will find this cover back here. That cover is the cover that has the pollen filter in it. Just gonna try to put some more light in here. Now you could sort of remove this here in order to give you a bit more room for you to get in there, but you can still get in there. It's just that with this particular model, those clips are a bit difficult to tackle, so I use sometimes a tool, something like this, to open those clips. And we have the other one on the other end, and the thing is, they can be a bit difficult to fit back. That pops out like that, but the hardest job with this pollen filter is that when you refit this cover here, you really need to get it in line on its groove there, and then push that to lock onto the clips. It can be a pain in the ass. So in any case, sometimes, well, I'll definitely need my two hands for that, but usually I also use the tool to push in here to make my life a little bit easier. No point complicating your life, you can use those tools. Now, pollen filter is here, so technically that should come down, and it looks like this one does need a replacement. Where is it? Yeah, just there. It needs to be replaced really, but I haven't got one today, so you do have to bend it a little bit to get it out over this here, which is that auxiliary battery, but it will come out, not an issue. And then you have to get the new one, so I haven't got a new one today, as I said, and then you will fit the new one back in. So that's where it is. Just one thing to note, obviously, is note the arrow. There's an arrow on these filters that shows you which way it needs to, the airflow will goes basically. So make a note when you remove the old one like this. You can make a note of where the arrow is pointing, and I can't see it there, but it must be. Let's take it out. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so, well, actually, in this particular one, you can only fit it in one way because of the design. The rectangular ones or the square ones obviously can go both ways, but this one, you got the arrows. In this case scenario, you got the arrows saying this goes at the top, this part. and you wouldn't be able to fit it this way. So has to go this way. And yeah, so I didn't really want to take it out as such, but since I did, gonna try and push it back in there, but right. Okay. So that's basically it, really. And as I mentioned, the challenge might be with this a bit more. I'm gonna clean that a little bit just now. Right, just gave that a little bit of a clean, and so these parts here, they just hook onto the back of the housing here. So that's the easy part, and then we have to push the clips back. So this is where the okay, that went in, and that other one. Okay, those actually went in without too much drama. You do have to push a little bit hard, but it wasn't as bad as, because I was doing an A-Class earlier on, and I could not push those clips back on. It was very bad. Well, anyway, then you push your carpet back in and you're pretty much done. So having said that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.